Embracing the start of an Army club.
Okay, just verbiage totally different, so it's a lot better, yes. Agree.
Developed and maintained a high school visit and presentation tracking system that cultivated a relationship with faculty and COIs in assigned schools.
Okay, the tracking system.
I'm not gonna sit there and brought fucking guidance counselors candy.
Tracking system. I'll need another 2 pounds of fucking Reese's. Okay.
Incorporated a variety of techniques that expedited the completion of all tasks. Training gets an excellence. Everything else is success. But you can read it. I know you can't spell straight. I'm sorry. You can look at it.
Won't you get the fucking 8th grade spelling bee champ over here?
What did you do?
Yes, I got it on video. Yes, yes. Yes.
Put your shit back.